Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to remove or uninstall Zscaler without password. Now we need to know that the process is very simple, either on your Mac or Windows. You should first install another application to use it to uninstall other programs or applications on your PC. So it will differ if you are using Mac or Windows. You're going to download different applications. So if you are using Windows, you will have to download applications like Revo Uninstaller, IOBit Uninstaller, Geek Uninstaller, Wise Program Uninstaller, or BC Uninstaller. These applications, you will use it in order to search for Zscaler and uninstall the Zscaler through it. Now, for macOS users, you will need to download applications like App Cleaner, Clean My Mac X, App Delete, App Zapper, or Hazel. Any one of these softwares will help you actually uninstall the application or Zscaler without using the password for uninstallment. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.